2010 Mazda 3, we are removing the front cowl or windshield cowl. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I need access to the rear of the ABS pump where the part number is. And with the part number, I can order the correct replacement ABS pump. Let's start by putting tape on the resting position of the wiper arms. That way when we remove this later and put it back, we know the resting or starting position of the wiper arms and blades. Now we can open the hood and continue the removal process. Now in addition, I put some tape on the driver or left side wiper arm so that I don't switch them by accident later when I put them back. Now to start, there's covers for the nuts holding the wiper arm in place. Use a flathead screwdriver to pop out the cover for the nuts. There's one. Here's two. Now the nuts holding the wiper arm in place is a 14mm nut, so use a 14mm socket and wrench to remove them. Then wiggle it around to separate the spline in place. It might just be stuck in place now. Might have to give it a loud tap to release it. Next, there are retainer clips all around the bottom of the cowl. So use your clip removal tool to release them. Some of them, like this one, is a screw-in retainer clip. So use a small screwdriver to release the top so you can pull it out from the bottom. Like this. Let's go to the other side. So some of the clips are hindered by the top of the cowl, like this one. So you might need a wrench with a screw bit or a Phillips screw bit so that you can access it and remove them. Sorry, I'm probably blocking. This one is not blocked by the top of the cowl, so you can use your regular Phillips screwdriver, your mini Phillips screwdriver. Again, you pop out the top so you can pull the base. With a wiper arm out of the way and the retainer clips removed, we can simply raise the cowl up slightly to clear the wiper arm and pull towards you. Oh, and you might need to remove this if you want to, but I'll leave it as this because I'm gonna remove the whole cowl anyway. So raise up a bit, then pull towards you. Now, don't forget to remove the windshield washer hose on the cowl. Just a quick close-up of the hose for the windshield washer. So you just pull this out from the connector. Putting back the cowl later is just the reverse order of how we removed it. But that's about it. That's how to remove the front cowl on this 2010 Mazda 3. Thank you for watching.